Hey guys, let's see today fix this issue. If you are also getting the similar kind of this issue, callers can't hear me on calls after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's see how to fix this issue because it is a very simple issue, and I will show you. Just you have to perform 2-3 steps, and after that your issue will be resolved. Okay, so for that, just first go to control center and you can just swipe down and you can just see, just tap on airplane mode. Just wait for 2 to 3 seconds, and after that just turn off back again. So after you have done this one, just perform the second step, and the second step would be just go to settings, and now just try to find Bluetooth. So just try to find Bluetooth. Just go to Bluetooth, and now guys, just turn off and just wait for at least 1 minute, and then we can turn it on back. So just wait for and also guys, you can just go and check, is there any device which you want, is there any added or not. Might be because why I told you that we have to go turn off and turn it on, because sometimes what happens, you have connected with some another Bluetooth, so might be it could be a reason the caller can't hear you. So after you perform this step, now you have to perform on the third step. The third step would be, again you go to the settings, and the settings just go to general and just tap on it, and now just try to hit on about. And now guys, you can just try to update, if career update. So like this, if you are getting like this career update, so if you are getting like this career settings update, just go for update guys, just go for update. And after that, just after you perform all 3 steps, now just go and check if your issue is resolved or not. If it's still not resolved, then you have to go for force restart. So for the force restart, just to press on the volume up and volume down button, and immediately you press the right side button. Just wait for iPhone logo appear on the screen. Now you can just release that. This iPhone is started. Just go and check guys. So this iPhone has been restarted successfully. After that, just go and check your issue. So guys, this way your issue will be resolved. I mean that your callers now hear on calls. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.